My name is Gurvinder and I'll be showcasing my Med2 project for the hospital management. So this is the home page, just the static information. Similarly, the service page and the about page. Here we can register for the patient or we can log in. So I'm going to quickly log in for the admin and I'll fill out this simple captcha. So at the admin page, we can see quick actions like to manage doctor, patients, associates, departments, and the appointments, or blacklist user. We can see information like doctors, patients, total appointments, and some recent appointments over here. Then we have pretty much same link in the sidebar over here. We have the stats page where admin can see the overall stats for the application, like the total revenue appointments within 30 days, top earning doctor, most booked doctors, department revenue, and the new patients within last 6 months. This is the profile section where admin can update their profile. They can upload a photo or they can change any of this information over here. So in manage doctor section, they can create a new doctor by filling out this form. We can filter the doctors based on the department, or we can search for specific doctor over here as well. We can further manage the doctor and edit any of the information. We can update their availability or add a new slot, or we can update their information. So it has been updated. And similarly for the patients as well, we can search based on the name or we can update their information over here. Test. And we'll see all the existing appointment for this patient in this section. And, similarly, we have the option for the appointments as well. We can filter based on the department, or we can update the appointment over here. We can change the schedule for the same doctor. So let's change it over here, and it has been updated successfully. Similarly, for the associates, we can update their information as well. Okay. Associate updated successfully, and same situation for the department. We can add a department, or we can edit existing department over here. We will see the doctors, the appointments listed in here. And for the blacklisted user, they will be displayed over here. If we want to unblock them, we can simply unblock. Similarly for the patients as well. And if we want to delete a specific patient, this one has 0 appointments, so deleted. So patient deleted successfully. And similarly for the associates or the doctors, we can do the same thing. Let's delete this. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much about the admin. Now I'll move to the patient side. So I'm going to quickly log in into one patient's dashboard. Okay, login successful. So for the patient, we can see all the upcoming appointments over here, the available departments and the available doctors within the next 7 days. So if you want to update any of the existing appointment, simply click on it. If it's within 24 hours, not within 24 hours, we'll be able to update it. So change it to the 9th March. Okay, appointment updated successfully, and we can see it over here. We can also cancel the appointment if we want. So let's cancel this appointment. Appointment cancelled successfully. We can view doctor's profile, or we can book appointment over here. It's the same scenario over here. All the doctors will be listed, and either we can search the doctor by their name or by department, or we can simply filter out over here. Clear the filters. Again, we can view the profile, so it will show the generic information of the doctor and the consultation fee and the slot duration. In order to book an appointment, just click over here, select a date, select a slot, and we'll be able to book an appointment. Okay. So yeah, appointment booked successfully. This one. Yep. And for the My Appointment section, patient can view all their appointments over here. They can edit it over here as well, just as the main page, and they can view their past appointments and the diagnosis and the treatment history as well. If customer wants to export all these treatments, they can simply click over here and it will start a Celery task that will download the files for them. And then we have the medical record option, where customer can download any of the records linked to their profile, like this one. And then we have the profile section, where patient can update their profile. Patient's profile updated successfully. So yeah, that's pretty much for the patient's dashboard. Now I'm going to log into the doctor's dashboard. Okay. So for the doctor, we can see all the information over here, their upcoming appointments, their next 7 days schedule, and the assigned patients. They can also see the all the appointments over here as well, and they can search based on the appointment ID patient or the specific. We can filter based on specific data as well. And then we have the option to edit the schedule. Doctor can update their schedule over here. Seems like it's pretty much full right now. Okay, 19th, 23rd. Okay, let's see, schedule updated successfully. And if they want to view their past work history, they can do it over here, total hours worked, and all the details. If doctor want to search for a specific patient, they can do it over here, and they can view their profile. All the documents regarding that specific patient will be listed over here. And doctor can view their statistical information over here, the earnings for this month, revenue, appointment status, how many they completed, or how much booked. And then we have the profile page where they can update their profile. And then finally, in order to complete the appointment, they can simply click on the appointment. They can add the diagnosis after reading the reason for visit and stuff. You can save the treatment. So the treatment have been saved over here. Yep. And they can cancel or complete the appointment over here. If doctor wants to upload any specific document, they can upload it over here as well. And they can also view their patient's past appointment history over here. And any documents related to the past appointments will be listed in here too, in this section. And we can now, doctor also have the option to edit the patient's profile information, like blood group and just the medical related stuff. And finally, we can mark it as complete. So yeah, that's pretty much for the doctor's dashboard. And just one last thing, if doctor wants to remove specific patient, they can just simply do it over here. If they want to reassign it, just click it over here. So yeah, that's the doctor's dashboard. And I have last user, which is associate. Their role is very basic. They are simply, if they want to upload any documents to a specific appointment. The associate can update their profile, or they can just upload the information. So they can upload the documents over here, just like a doctor can do. So yeah, that's all about my application. Thanks and have a nice day. Thank you.